Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Last week we focused on a smooth ride by talking about alignment and balancing. If you missed it, be sure to check that out after this video. Today we're tackling the other side of that equation, tires. We'll be answering your most searched questions about tire maintenance and why it may be more important than you think. Let's get right to it.
So my first question is, how often should I check my tire pressure?
That's a great question. You should check your tire pressure at least once a month. You should always check your tires before a major trip, and you should always check your tires when they're cold. That means they haven't been driven for at least a few hours.
What's the right tire pressure for my car? I always thought it was the number on the tire itself.
That's a super common mistake. The correct pressure for your tire is not on the sidewall. That's simply just the maximum pressure that tire can handle. The correct pressure is on the placard inside the driver's side door jamb.
So can having the wrong tire pressure really affect my car?
Oh, absolutely. The wrong tire pressure can be a serious safety issue. Underinflated tires can cause you to lose control, decrease your fuel efficiency, and overheat and fail.
We should take Bikini Bottom and push it somewhere else! Push! Push! Push!
Overinflated tires can give you a rough ride and make you more vulnerable to potholes.
Speaking of bad tires, how do I know when I need new ones?
The easiest way is to check your tire tread. There are two methods. The first is a penny test. Just insert the penny with Lincoln's head facing upside down into the tread. If you can see the very top of his head, your tread is too low and it's time for some new tires. The other method is to look for tread wear indicators. There are small rubber bars that are built into the tread of the tire that will become visible when the tread is worn down.
Okay, what about all those numbers on my tire? What do they all mean?
Those numbers are like the tire's DNA. They tell us everything that we need to know. For example, a common size like 205/55 R16 tells us the width, the sidewall height, and the wheel diameter. These details help us make sure that we get the perfect tire size for your vehicle.
All right, last question. Is tire rotation really necessary?
Yes, it's a critical part of tire maintenance. Your tires wear down differently, which often means your front ones wear down faster than the back ones. Regular tire rotation, typically every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, helps ensure that your tires wear down evenly. This extends the life of your tires and maintains balanced handling. So there you have it. Proper tire pressure, good tire tread, and regular tire rotation are the three keys to keeping your car safe and saving money in the long run. If you ever notice your car pulling, shaking, or if you're just unsure about the condition of your car, come on over, we're here to help. We have 4 convenient Berks County locations to better serve you in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out next week when Joe and I talk about transmissions. That's all for now, folks. We'll be back next week with another transmission talk.